Hey guys, welcome back to Road Hard Restorations. We are, I don't know, third or fourth video in on converting this 69 Camaro SS 396 4-speed car from a street strip back to just a street car. The owner wants to get rid of all the racy stuff. So that includes this autometer tack, old school. It is, it's held on with a big old long hose clamp, just kind of stuck on there. So we're going to go ahead and pull that off and pull out all the wiring and pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. So we're going to start by taking the tack out of here. Just undoing the clamp. And we want to be careful taking this off, that we don't want to scratch the column any more than it already is from it sitting on there for the last 50 years or however old this thing is. There we go. Alrighty. Alright, found the wire coming from the tack. There's this little 2-wire here. It's coming out of the hole in the firewall here. Then it was circled around this clip right here. And then goes back, let's see, around here. There's splits here. One of them goes right here to the coil. And the other one is going around somewhere. Oh, going to this little ground bolt right there. Got one wire. And then the wire to the tack. And there's another wire down there. Nope. I'll go ahead and stick that screw back in there in case we want to add a ground later on. Also plugs the hole. I've got the tack sitting down here. Careful with that. And then here is the tack wire. All I got to do now is pull it through. And there we go. Now we have a nice old school tack from Autometer. The owner didn't want it, so this might wind up going in the 74 or one of the other dusters. I think it's a pretty nice looking tack. It's got some wear around there where it's been rubbing. And then they cut or ground off the bottom of the bezel for some clearance, so that's kind of a bummer, but yeah, I think it should be cool. It's something. So now that does look a lot cleaner without that extra tack on there. So I can see the appeal. Not sure what he wants to do with the sound system EQ and gauge cluster under there, the triple pack gauges, and they've just been kind of hanging out. So I'm just going to go through and make sure that there's no hot wires exposed. You know, we don't want anything shorting out in there. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.